Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken nuggets out of canned chicken. First, ensure your canned chicken is well drained. This is crucial for crispy nuggets. Use about 12½ ounces of chicken. Next, shred the chicken finely with a fork or your hands to create a consistent base. Finally, prepare your binding ingredients: 1 egg, 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, and your preferred spices like garlic powder and paprika. Now let's get mixing. In a bowl, combine your finely shredded chicken with 1 beaten egg, about 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, and your chosen seasonings. Mix everything together really well until it forms a cohesive mixture that holds its shape. Then, take small portions and gently form them into uniform nugget shapes, aiming for about 1 inch in size. This ensures even cooking. Once your nuggets are shaped, it's time to cook them. You have a few great options. For a healthier choice, air fry them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, until they're beautifully golden brown. Alternatively, you can bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, remembering to flip them halfway through. Or, for classic crispiness, pan fry them in about 1 inch of oil over medium heat. And there you have it. Your incredibly easy and delicious homemade chicken nuggets from canned chicken are ready to enjoy. Serve them up with your favorite dipping sauces, like barbecue, honey mustard, or ranch. They make a fantastic quick snack, a fun appetizer, or a simple, satisfying meal for the whole family. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.